Hello everyone, I hope you're well. My P account username is jft509 and it's also my referral code. I'm also a content producer on the Pi Network project. My mission is to help you better understand the Pi project. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I advise you to do it now. Today, I come to present to you an application built in the Pi ecosystem called piapplink. Let's go. Piapplink is an application like Play Store. It allows you to find Pi applications and connect easily. It also allows you rate Pi applications. To connect to piapplink, simply go to the search bar of the Pi browser and go to the search bar, click here, go to the search bar of the Pi browser, click here. After, write piapp.link, piapp.link, and start the search. Start the search. Start the search. Sorry. To connect your account with piapp.link, click on Me. Now, login. Login with Pi. Login with Pi. Check now. Back. Click on apps. Now you can see all applications with Pi ecosystem. Official apps: MinePay, Wallet Pay, Brainstorm, Chat, KYC, Blockchain, and Develop Pay. Game app: Pay.org, Gallery, World of Pay, Championships, Pay Snakes, Pi Dragon, Pay Farm, Accord Time. Again, Marketplace, social media, iNews, Fireside, I Love, Tools, Order. For example, marketplace. To connect to the Dabia mail, click on Dabia mail. You can add to favorite. You can add to favorite here. You can add to favorite. Excuse me. Add to favorite. Save successful. Next. Okay. You can tap to visit this app. Tap to visit. Oh, so sorry. Now, for this marketplace, you can buy and sell your product on the marketplace Dabia Mail. You can pay with P and sell with P. Okay, back. Back. Back on piapplink. Click here to change appearance. Okay. You can change language here. English. Click on favorite to see your favorite app. Mermaids and me to see your informations. You can add a friend. You can invite your friend. To invite your friend, click invite now. Click here to copy your link to share with your friend. Okay. Back. Okay. Back. You can change your app. You can change your piapp. Now in development. Okay. I'm so happy to present you this video. It's all for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I come back with a new video to speak with a new application with P, a new P application. Okay, goodbye.